Okay. We all know that Ahrefs is one of the coolest players in town. But did you know that Ahrefs just launched one of the coolest updates in their history, probably? Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you noticed these last days, weeks, when you search for Ahrefs and you would like to enter in the platform, you see this huge writing saying Agent A. What the heck is this Agent A? Well, as the name says, Ahrefs just launched their AI agent, and it's a really great help in our daily work. I just want to show you some of the things that you can do with this solution, and just keep in mind this is the version 1, so this is the worst it could get, and it's all to get better from this point forward. Once you enter in the platform, you will find, keep in mind I'm just newbie of this platform, so I don't know every ins and outs just yet, but once you enter inside, you will find these skills. These are pre-built SEO workflows powered by Ahrefs data, skills that AI has learned, their agent has learned, and these are some of the examples. Now, I want to launch a AI mention gap analysis. Let's check the preview. This is a summary of what it does, what you will get, and let's launch it. My goal is to close the AI mention gap compared to my competitors, so I launch this flow. The little guy here pops up and the thinking starts. The funny thing is that it shows you all the process while it's going. In the meantime, it asks me questions. What's your brand name, as LLM would mention it? In my case, it's gonna be Culture and Hike. It's my recently launched website about adventures and stuff like this. Submit. What's your primary domain? cultureandhike.com. Which market should I focus on? Let's go with United Kingdom. Which AI platform should I analyze? ChatGPT and Google AI reviews. It answers all the questions, and now it starts analyzing. You can see all the process. It wants to use Ahrefs brand radar. I allow it once. It will ask me multiple authorizations during the process, so just keep an eye on it and see you in a few seconds. Here, it's a very interesting thing because my website is brand new, therefore there are no competitors. Ahrefs understood this, their Agent A understood this, and they're asking me for some competitors. Now, I don't want to waste time here during this video, so I just click on this random one, and it keeps running the analysis. See you in a few seconds. The interesting thing is that while Agent A is running its script and it's connecting all the hundreds of APIs, you can run also other things. Here, for example, I want to run with, I don't know, community content research. I want to surface Reddit and Quora teams for article ideas. I just launched this one. There are the usual questions. How would you like to provide your keyword group? An Ahrefs keyword list, custom keywords. What's the goal of this research? Content ideas, prompt tracking. Let's go with both. And now it's running its analysis. Which Ahrefs keyword list? Share the list ID or name. I don't have it. Skip question. How many top ranking URLs should I scan from the list? 200. United States. Okay, in this case I don't have the list, so as you can see, it's quite interactive. If you don't have something, it stops. Let me go back in the meantime to the AI mention gap analysis, because the report is ready. This is the AI mention gap analysis. High priority keywords 37, medium priority 200, low priority 42. It's essentially invisible to AI assistants in the UK adventure travel category, but it understood that I'm in the adventure travel category. Intrepid travel, much better adventures. Even a moderate content effort could put you in the same listicles, because most gaps are generic best X. Okay, top 15 high priority content opportunities. Who is the best escorted tour company in the UK? Who is the best company to book a holiday with? Which tour company is best for the UK? What is similar to We Road? Okay, here I can clearly see that it does a great job, even with the basic information I provided, but I'm pretty sure I can get way more if I prompt the AI agent nicely since the beginning, because I didn't provide information about what is my target niche. Still, I believe this is a great tool, and because it plugs directly into back-end data of Ahrefs, you are a bit quieter in knowing that these data are not made up and they are really a solid base to skyrocket any website. Now, I really suggest you try Agent A yourself, because this is just the first touch I had with this tool. I'm already impressed, but you have a lot of skills, and as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is the worst Agent A can get, so it's gonna improve fast. Let me know what you think about this new agent overall. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next one. Bye.